So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to find the relationship between the circumference and radius of a round object. Here I have a can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get two measurements out of this. I'm going to get a circumference and a radius. So I take my ruler and I wrap it around the circumference of the can, and it measures, we're going to measure in millimeters. This can is 210 millimeters in circumference. The radius is the distance straight across, the longest point. So the diameter of this can, about 62 millimeters. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, this is for problem number 57. If you have round things that you want to do this at home with, for those of you that were absent, that would be a great idea. So the item in this case was the can. The circumference was 210 millimeters. The diameter was 62 millimeters. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a ratio of circumference to diameter. I want to see if there is a relationship between the circumference of a circle and its diameter. The circumference was 210 and the diameter was 62. Now, what I want to do is I want to figure this out as a decimal. So as a decimal, I'm going to take my calculator, and on my calculator I'm going to take 210 and I'm going to divide it by 62. This gives me a ratio as a decimal of the circumference to the diameter. So 3.39. Now, I want you to try this at home for those of you that didn't do this in class. And what you should find is you should find a pattern in your decimals. See if you can do this on your own, and after you've done it, I'm going to show you what you should have found in your decimals.